Ever notice your internet crawling even when no one's home? You expect fast speeds, but something's off. It's not always your provider's fault. Sometimes you've got an uninvited guest on your Wi-Fi. I'm talking about neighbors, freeloaders, or even hackers using your internet without permission, risking both your speed and your security. Today I'll show you how to spot the signs, catch the intruders, and lock down your network for good. If you want fast, secure internet and peace of mind, hit like, subscribe, and let's get started. Let's expose those Wi-Fi intruders. Before we dive into settings, let's talk about the warning signs. The biggest clue? Sudden unexplained drops in internet speed, especially at certain times of day. If your devices keep disconnecting or your router's Wi-Fi light blinks like crazy when nothing should be online, that's suspicious. Check for unfamiliar devices when sharing content. If you see a TV or speaker you don't own, someone else is on your network. Can't log into your router with your usual password? That's a red flag, someone may have locked you out. Watch your data usage. If you're hitting your cap way faster than usual, someone could be streaming or downloading on your dime. Strange browser behavior redirects, changed search engines could mean a hacker is intercepting your traffic. Antivirus or firewall warnings about unknown devices or odd traffic. Take them seriously. And don't forget your password. If it's simple or still the default, your network is wide open. Weak passwords are the hash, one way people get in. These signs aren't just annoyances, they're clues that your network security is at risk. Spotting them early is the first step to taking back control. Next, let's find out exactly who's connected to your Wi-Fi. Ready to play network detective? Let's move on to the investigation. Your digital security starts with awareness. Don't ignore the signs, act on them. Now, let's catch the culprit. Time to investigate. First, access your router's admin panel, usually by typing its IP address into your browser. Log in with your credentials. If you've never changed the default password, do it soon. Look for a section called Connected Devices or Device List. Here, you'll see every device currently or recently connected to your network. Each device has a name and a unique MAC address. Think of it as a digital fingerprint. Go through the list and match each device to something you own: phones, laptops, TVs, smart gadgets, even light bulbs. Can't identify a device? That's your suspect. Prefer an easier way? Use a network scanning app like Fing or Wi-Fi Guard. These apps quickly show you all connected devices and help you identify unknown ones. Walk around your home checking off each device as you go. Anything left unaccounted for is likely an intruder. Be thorough. Don't forget obscure devices like printers or smart plugs. Once you've identified every device, you'll know for sure if someone's piggybacking on your Wi-Fi. Found an unknown device? You've got your culprit. Now let's kick them off and secure your network. This is where you take back control. Ready to lock them out for good? Let's move to the next step. Your network, your rules, let's secure it. Found an intruder? Time to act. First, change your Wi-Fi password, make it long, complex, and unique. This instantly disconnects everyone, including the intruder. Next, change your router's admin password to prevent tampering with your settings. Reconnect your own devices one by one using the new password. Double-check your device list as you go to ensure only trusted gadgets are back online. Want extra security? Enable MAC address. Filtering only approved devices can connect. It's a bit of work, but it keeps freeloaders out. For guests, set up a separate guest network. This keeps your main network private. Still see suspicious devices? Blacklist their MAC addresses to block them specifically. After making changes, reboot your router to apply all settings. This refreshes your network and locks out intruders for good. Remember, a strong password and regular checks are your best defense. Don't let anyone steal your bandwidth or your data. Take these steps and your Wi-Fi is yours alone. Security is about being proactive. Now let's keep it that way. Ready for long-term protection? Here's how to stay secure. You've secured your network, now keep it that way. Update your router's firmware regularly to patch vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates if possible, or check manually every month or two. Use a generic, non-identifiable network name. Avoid personal info in your SSID. Don't bother hiding your SSID. Focus on real security, not obscurity. Always use the strongest encryption, WPA2 at minimum, WPA3 if available. Disable WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. It's a known security risk. Make it a habit to review your connected devices list monthly. The more familiar you are with your network, the faster you'll spot intruders. Place your router centrally to limit signal leakage to neighbors. If your router is old, consider upgrading to a modern, secure model. Newer routers get better updates and support the latest security standards. Good hardware is an investment in your digital safety. Security is ongoing, don't set it and forget it. Stay vigilant and your network stays yours. Protect your privacy, your speed, and your peace of mind. These habits are your digital hygiene. Keep your Wi-Fi fortress strong. Now, let's wrap it all up. Let's recap. You learned to spot the signs of Wi-Fi theft, audit your network, and kick out intruders. You know how to change passwords, lock down your router, and add extra security layers. Staying secure means regular updates, strong encryption, and monthly device checks. Your Wi-Fi is the gateway to your digital life. Don't leave it unprotected. Take control, protect your privacy, and enjoy fast, safe internet. These steps aren't just about speed, they're about security. Your digital home deserves a strong lock. Thanks for watching. Let's keep your network safe. Internet theft is common, but now you know how to fight back. Audit your network, lock it down, and keep your Wi-Fi fast and private. Next time, we'll cover boosting your signal and eliminating dead zones. Like, subscribe, and comment below. How many unknown devices did you find? Share this video with anyone struggling with slow Wi-Fi. See you in the next one.